Here's a real easy way to clean your annoying popcorn ceiling. We all know by these fans they get pretty nasty. You end up getting a lot of dirt. It just wants to sling and cling up to the popcorn ceiling, but you don't want to lose your popcorn. Although we'd all like to take it down and throw it out, I'm not ready to do that yet. So an easy way to clean your popcorn ceiling is simple. Take a shop vac. Hopefully you have one. If not, get yourself a small one. Small bristle brush. That's it. No big trick to it. Real simple to do. And I'll show you how that works. We're going to turn the shop vac on. I'll lose your sound for a little bit. And this is real simple. Just simply comb it. Real easy. We're not losing any popcorn. And as you can see, just like new. Switch it off. It's an easy short video here. How you can do this, and guess what? I didn't lose any popcorn, nor did I damage the ceiling. So that's the easy way to get the dirt and dust off of that clinging, annoying popcorn ceiling. If you like this quick tip, please subscribe to us. There's dozens of videos on here for quick tips, home remodeling tips, and household hacks. Thanks for watching.